Our intensive skincare repair lotion is intended to be used on dry, thick layered skin of the heels, hands, elbows, or knees, delivering hydration that can help restore, lock in moisture, and nourish the skin from its deepest layers. This formulation has been preferred and suggested by dermatologists and podiatrists for these types of skincare-related needs for many years. Softens thick, cracked skin. Helps to minimize corns calluses and reduces callus buildup. Advanced moisturizing lotion formulated to repair feet, heels, hands, elbows, nails and knees. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Lotion is thick. This urea lotion is odorless, but due to the thick nature of urea cream, it is hard to squeeze from the bottle. I will be transferring it to a tub. Next time I will buy the tub. I just thought the lotion would be neater.